What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. In this video, all you need is 1 billion Tonic. That's really all you need for crazy gains in the future. It might not seem like much, but as the years go by, as Chronos develops, and as the protocol of Tonic grows, it will be life changing, guys. We're gonna dive deep into Tonic in this video like we always do. We're gonna go through a lot of things that I've seen recently with the charts, guys, and if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Really helps, guys. Also, please become a channel member to support the channel, and I can continuously bring this content to you guys on the daily. Also, check out all my previous videos as well. Just go to videos and go rewatch all of these videos, man. Content all around, especially this one. I don't know why this one is not getting that much attention, but I break down how the money flows in crypto and what the Chronos ecosystem being successful could mean for Tonic, right? And VVS as well, right? So Tonic chart has been in this long accumulation phase. It had its launch. Most projects have their launch, then they have their retrace, then they have a liquidity pop to the upside. But it also launched around, it also launched literally at the start of the bear market, around December of 2021. So Tonic has never seen a bull market. It's just never seen a bull market, right? All of last year has been the worst market conditions ever in existence. And this, what we're seeing right here, is just all accumulation. This is a slingshot that is building and building and stretching until we have that nice pop to the upside. I'm telling you guys, what we're seeing right now, that will all change once we enter the full bull cycle. We see how fast Tonic can move, guys. Look at the 3-month. We see how fast Tonic can move. 100%, 120% gains in like a day or so. We see how fast it can move, guys, and it's just a matter of time until we see those crazy moves in the future. Excuse me. So what we see right here is just a lot of sideways momentum, and all of this is accumulation. All of this is accumulation. Similar, let's take a look at the big dog, the top dog in the space, right? All of this for BTC, accumulation, just sideways. The most boring phases ever. Just absolutely boring, just a bunch of sideways. Then we have huge pop, more accumulation, huge pop. That's what we're gonna see for Tonic in the future, guys. That's what I love. I love buying charts that are just sideways and nothing is really going on, and then low volume, and then boom, huge pop to the upside. It's like, what? Sitting just under $23 million in market cap, 63k in 24-hour trade volume, 36,372 holders. What I love is that the Tonic Twitter is growing a lot as well. 58,700 people following now. I remember checking the Twitter and seeing 58,000 people flat, right? You could tell the growth is happening consistently for Tonic, guys. You could see it as far as the community, as far as the development. Price will follow, guys. As long as this continues, price will follow. Shout out to Agent 00 and Tonic for showing love to the Tectonic ambassador. We need to see more and more Tectonic ambassadors. Tonic shows love, so that way you could see more and more community building, guys. That way you can see more and more growth in the Tonic the Tonic fam, right? So yeah, everything from what we're seeing is super bullish. All you need is 1 billion Tonic. From Davo, man, always being so consistent with what he does. Let's sign in and give him a heart, guys. Tonic, the most important things you need to do when investing in crypto is immunity to FUD and FOMO, self-belief in the choices you make yourself, never invest into something because someone else tells you to, patience. These 3 things, I've been saying it. Shout out to Davo. Ignore the FUD, because look, everyone was FUDing Tonic, but it still made a pop to the upside, and now it's going sideways again, ready to break out in the future whenever the markets turn bullish. FOMO. Don't FOMO into huge green candles. Never do that. Ever. Okay? Don't feel like you have the fear of missing out. When a project is going skyrocketing into the upside, it's probably eventually going to come back down, and that's when you make your entry. Self-belief in the choices you make yourself. Never invest into something because someone else wants you to. Always trust your own conviction and your own plan and strategy. If it goes wrong, you take the accountability for it. If it goes right, you're a genius and you take that same accountability, right? So always trust and believe in yourself. I just got a new ledger, like I said, guys, and the first thing I saw from the ledger when I opened it was a card inside of the ledger saying trust yourself, trust your plan, trust your strategy, trust your conviction, and of course patience. With crypto, I know everyone wants, as soon as you get in crypto, 3 months later you're a millionaire. It doesn't work like that when you're investing. Maybe if you go play around with degens and pool coins, you may be able to pull it off, but when it comes to real projects with real utility, it doesn't work like that. You have to be patient and play the cycles, play the trends, play the narratives. That's how you make crazy gains in crypto, right? In the mid to long term. You make your investments, you DCA, the months go by, and then you just continuously DCA into projects you believe in, the months go by, and then boom, the life-changing gains are right there in front of your face, and then you take profits, right? If you don't have all three of the above, you really should invest elsewhere and completely ignore the bears. They've just got nothing better to do with their own coins when their own coins are dipping. Believe and your dreams will be fulfilled. Shout out to Davo, man. Always be having the bullish know-how in the Tonic community tab on CoinMarketCap. I'm bullish on Tonic from All Writer. See if they have any other write-ups. Okay, there we go. From James, Tectonic will be the future leader in the DeFi world. Lending and borrowing is going to another level, and I completely agree with this because, guys, think about it. Look at how all of these centralized exchanges are getting so much FUD. We just checked out how Binance itself, the biggest one, is getting so much FUD. Imagine if Binance falls, what will happen for the market? Everyone is going into DeFi, and projects like Tonic will have their huge amount of time to shine with their lending and borrowing protocol. They will scalp so much market share with their DeFi potential, right? I'm telling you guys, their DeFi potential is so innovative and next level. It's like your own bank. Think about that. Think about that. Like when I covered Bank of America, you couldn't get your funds out of Bank of America. That's not the same with Tonic, guys. This is control because it is decentralized finance. You could control your finances, your wealth. The Tonic team tweeted out after all of these great updates, man. Even they themselves tweeted out. Let's go. Let me see if I can find the tweet. I know they tweeted it. Let me just give me a second. Maybe I missed it. Hold on. They did tweet out, take control of your finances with Tonic, guys. I maybe right here. Take control of your finances with Tectonic Finance. I'm telling you. Bro, this is the one. Shango, say it, Steve. Shout outs to everyone, man. But this is facts, guys. We're seeing what is happening with the global economic system and what is going on in the world. There's like how much people in crypto? There's only like 5% of the world in crypto, some low percentage. 3 to 5% of the world is in crypto, and that's why even just 1 billion Tonic will be more than enough to be life-changing for you guys. I'm telling you. Someone sharing the official links for Tonic as well. Great stuff. I'm telling you guys, this project is absolutely gonna crush it. As soon as the Cronos ecosystem starts to get a lot more attention. There's not much FUD for Crow anymore, Crypto.com anymore. They're FUDing Binance a lot, but Crypto.com is still going strong. As the Cronos ecosystem grows and develops and gets more and more attention, a lot of people that join the Cronos ecosystem will look into low caps like Tonic. I'm telling you guys. and that's when you'll see another reason, another catalyst for Tonic to shine. Cronos also implementing ZK technology. That's gonna be a game changer, okay? That's gonna be a game changer for Crow. That's gonna be a game changer for Tonic. Tonic turning a little bit green right now on the video live. We're seeing it turn green. That's super bullish, guys. I'm telling you, all you need is 1 billion Tonic. If you want to go for the 5 billion, 10 billion bag, hey, that's more gains. That's more potential in the future. But you have to think, how many people are in crypto, right? Is the Cronos ecosystem and blockchain one of the best and top blockchains in the space? Is Crypto.com one of the best and top exchanges in the space? Yes and yes. Is Tonic a great utility altcoin that will stand the test of time? It survived the bear market. That's a yes for me, right? Does it have a lot of upside potential? $23 million in market cap? That's a yes for me, right? Are there a lot of retail investors and institutional investors that still have to get into crypto? That's another yes for me, guys. That's all you need to know. I'm telling you. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. Thank you guys so much for the support. It really helps a lot. Go support my previous videos. I realize my views are not, as much as they were before I took my, some days off. Maybe it's the algorithm, but support all my previous videos. When you guys see this, go rewatch, and if you can, become a channel member, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys once again. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.